Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
So, how is it being here at Bangalore?
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Bangalore is always beautiful.
Okay, thank you. So, what is your take when you got to know about Indian Robotics Olympiad and your child is participating today?
I think there's something beautiful. There's a lot of learning that's happening. And just to see a lot of children here bubbling with excitement, and all of them are so engrossed and curious to learn. That's the beauty of something like a IRO, I feel.
Okay, is this the first time he's
My son is
taking-
doing it, yeah. I am coming here for the first time.
Okay,
He's been to the WSRO. IRO is the first time that he's coming for.
okay, that's great. So, before learning robotics to now, what is the transformation you've seen within your child?
The transformation is a lot. The love for learning is something I appreciate the most.
Okay.
I see that technical kida coming into him.
Okay.
I see that he loves to like unwind everything, see what's there inside, how the
he's
mechanics
that
works.
curiosity bubbling
Yeah,
up.
the
Okay.
curiosity is immense, and that's something beautiful.
Okay, as a parent, how do you look forward for all such STEM programs and competitions in the future? What do you think it is adding on to the building the career for the students?
Career-wise, I feel there's so much. The world is moving towards robotics and
It's very
artificial
futuristic.
Absolutely, and the best part is they enjoy it.
Okay.
It's something that the children look forward to doing. Because there's something happening on the STEM level. There's something that's keeping them going every single day.
Okay.
So that's the beauty of it, I feel.
So yeah, all the way from Pune to here,
Yeah.
and I'm sure it's all worth it for you
Absolutely.
being here today. and-
Absolutely. Just to see a smile on the child's face is absolutely worth it. Everything is worth it.
That's great. More than the competition, the participation matters.
There are like hundreds of children here, yaar, and all of them are special. So just the fact that they've all come together from all parts of the country and doing something is achievement in itself.
Beautiful thing.
Yeah.
Sure. Thank you so much.
Thank
Have a nice
you.
day.
You have a wonderful day.
Thank you.